I hope this intro was helpful. It is okay not to feel that confident yet. If you want to get more proficient at using R, just practice. Try doing stuff in R, especially with real data that you actually care about. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions you may have. I said at the beginning, I have a lot of experience, but there is also a lot I don't know. As you build your R skills, you should try to get many other perspectives about how to use this powerful tool. I'll conclude with some general tips. First, keep your old code and keep it organized. You will want to look back at it, and there is nothing wrong with that. In fact, that is usually the most efficient way to do things. Never feel like you have to do things from memory. I look back at my old code all the time, and in cases where I don't need to do that anymore, it's probably only because I already did it 100 times in the past. Second, think of the console as a stream, a recent history of questions and answers. You give the computer instructions, it follows those instructions, maybe gives you some output, and then you both move on. Do not think of the console as a permanent record of what you've done. Do not try to save the whole thing or edit it so it looks nice. It only keeps text up to some maximum length anyway. If you print several thousand lines to the console, the oldest ones will disappear. If you are thinking about the console properly, that fact should not bother you. You should keep track of your code in a text file devoted to the purpose, and you can keep track of any important output by pasting it into a separate text file or some other kind of note-taking tool, or you can not keep track of it at all. For most psychological data analysis, you can simply run your code again to get the same output, since we're working with small datasets and most of our code runs almost instantly. Finally, get some practice searching the internet for help. In general, if you want to do something that I haven't covered here, you are always welcome to reach out to me in person or via email. I'm happy to help. But also, you can try searching the internet for help with your task. There's a lot of information about how to use R out there, and there are many active communities of R users generating new questions and new answers all the time. Before long, you'll be answering other people's questions. R is a fantastically versatile programming language. Try it on your own. As it becomes more familiar, it will start to feel more intuitive, and I'm sure you will find all kinds of uses for it.